So the nesting box is done. Now you can see it in full size. Hey, what's the crack? I have so many side projects that I decided to make a video content about all the side projects what I'm doing, because I don't have time now to record and do the main projects that I plan to do. So I did a knife, a cutting board that's been a fail because the low temperature the wood glue couldn't make a proper connection. What's this? Now the next one is I already made a nesting box, and I'll show you in a minute. And what I mentioned. So what I mentioned, that sort of unique camera holder for my phone and the action camera that I'm using now, the magnets. Now I made some test footage. I know where I'm gonna be, where I will put the devices to recording time-lapse and motion picture. So this is gonna be the upcoming project. Also, now here's an issue with this work table, that I has the miter saw. So take number 2. There is an issue, actually it's a big issue with the miter saw, that it's not on the level as the upper panel, the rolling work table. So there's some remaining 2x2 pinewood. Now I'm planning to extend the table with the 2x2 and put the miter saw base level with the upper panel, so it wouldn't interfere as I'm working. So as I'm working with my projects and I put stuff on the table, and it will be easier to use. So I need to redesign the rolling work tables. This is going to be a +1 project for the future that I need to sort out. I also managed to get a magnetic tool holder set, so that will be implemented as well. So the workshop upgrade is still in progress and I couldn't wait to allocate my time and energy and resources to complete this task and make the footage. But that is number one priority, let's say number one priority, that I use these magnets and finalize and manufacture these holders that I can use to record footage. It's inadequate, and it's not time effective that I use my hand, because now I'm unable to work, unable to record what I wanted to. So let's get to it. Back to the nesting box. So here it is. What I plan, got this 2x1. We'll fix it on the base, and on this one I will fix 5x1, so the chickens will be able to use it as a walking frame. Luxury nesting box, mirror finish, just here, just for you. So let's get to it. Now exactly this is what I'm talking about, that now I have barely any space even to remove the circular saw, so this setup is inefficient. Cannot get to the workpiece trolley, it's blocked. Here are the workpieces. This is what I need to cut in half. Barely have space, so this needs to be sorted out and managed. I knew that I need to buy a few of these small screws. This is a 30mm one. So I will hold this panel. Well, this is today's progress. I've finalized this nesting box, and have a look. So I put panel in the front, so the material what I put in when I lay the eggs, it won't fall out. I always see later on. They can walk on this with confidence, and it has enough space so they can easily jump in and out. So this is all today's progress. Hey, how you doing? So the nesting box is done. Now you can see it in full size. It has 3 parts. This one is 25 centimeters, 28, 25. So this is a small fail, but it won't affect if its use. The dimensions are as the furniture panels, so I did not make any shortening. I wanted to manufacture it as simple as I could. Well, the lighting conditions are not the best. It's a bright sunlight, so hopefully you can see. What is the matter? So I will show you how it looks in its final place. I need to finish the preparations. Now I need to separate the 2 places where they are, with the existing flock and the new flock arrive tomorrow. But the drinker is available. There's 2 food holder. The bounty has been collected. I did this side project, and the poultries can rest, have some relax. Now check this out. After I treated with linseed, this is the difference between the simple original pinewood and the red pinewood. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of a kind luxury Porsche resting frame.